friends, welcome to Jerval Academy. You are watching my YouTube channel Jerval Gravity. In last lecture, we had started the first chapter from the physics syllabus, that is rotational dynamics. And in the previous lecture, we had discussed about the first application of the circular motion, that is vehicle traveling along the curved horizontal road. Today we will discuss about these two another applications of the circular motion, that is the well of death and then vehicle on banked road. First we start from the vehicle on banked road. In the last video we had already discussed about the vehicle on the horizontal road. First of all, what is difference between horizontal road and banked road? What is the difference between horizontal and banked road? मैंने आपको लास्ट लेक्चर में भी बताया था कि ये वीडियो देख के आपको एक डायग्राम देख के ऐसा लगता है कि गाड़ी इधर से इधर जा रही है, इधर से इधर जा रही है। ये डायग्राम देख के ऐसा लगता है कि गाड़ी ऐसा ऊपर जा रही है या फिर ऊपर से नीचे आ रही है, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। यहाँ पे जो है गाड़ी ऐसे जा रही है, ऐसे जा रही है, और यहाँ पे जो है वो गाड़ी ऐसे जा रही है। तो जब ये टर्न ले रही है, ये टर्न लेते समय ऐसे स्ट्रेट है, स्ट्रेट, पर ये टर्न लेते समय कैसे ऐसे टेढ़ी है, ऐसे। आपने बहुत सारे हाईवेज पे, रोड पे अगर आप गए होंगे कि जहाँ पे बहुत सारे टर्न्स है, तो आपने देखा होगा कि टर्न के यहाँ पे रोड की एक साइड जो होती है वो इस ऊपर की होती है, और वो जो ऊपर करना है उसको बोलते हैं बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड। क्या बोलते हैं उसको? बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड, बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड। तो हॉरिजॉन्टल रोड मीन्स स्ट्रेट रोड, कि जो ऐसा सीधा सीधा होता है, ऐसा सीधा सीधा होता है, ऐसे कैसे कि जिसके ये जो दोनों एजेस है वो सेम हाइट पे। पर जो बैंक रोड होता है वो क्या होता है? ऐसा ऊपर होता है, मतलब एक साइड जो होती है उसकी वो ऊपर होती है और दूसरी साइड जो है वो ग्राउंड लेवल पे होती है। इसके दोनों साइड ग्राउंड लेवल पे, इसकी एक साइड नीचे होती है और एक एज जो होता है वो ऊपर क्या होता है। तो गाड़ी इसके ऊपर ऐसे चलती, सीधी सीधी ऐसी, और इसके ऊपर टर्न लेते समय ऐसे चलती, टेढ़ी। तो दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन हॉरिजॉन्टल रोड एंड बैंक्ड रोड। नाउ टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड। व्हाट इज मीन बाय बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड? जनरली फर्स्ट इज द नेसेसरी ऑफ बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड, कि बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड की नेसेसिटी क्या है, बैंकिंग ऑफ रोड क्यों करना पड़ता है। और ये हाईवेज के ऊपर, रोड के ऊपर जब गाड़ी टर्न लेती है तो एक साइड ऊपर करने से क्या होता है। पहले तो अपन देखेंगे कि ये क्यों करना पड़ता है। यहाँ पे अपन ने देखा था, आपको याद होगा, Vmax is equal to under root mu r g, यह फॉर्मूला अपन ने देखा था। This formula indicates that the velocity, maximum velocity of the vehicle is depends on these three factors, that is coefficient of static friction, then radius and the gravitational acceleration. But there is one problem between this formula, and that problem is that this maximum velocity is depends on the force of static friction, and if in case of speed which is greater than this maximum speed, at that time that vehicle may skid off. To prevent that vehicle from skid off, we can make some techniques, and because of that techniques we can increase that maximum speed, and it is because of the banking of road। तो ये होता कैसे? तो सबसे पहले आपको ये समझना जरूरी है कि when any vehicle traveling along the curved road, means टर्न पे जब vehicle travel करती है, it performs circular motion, it performs circular motion। so circular motion किस फोर्स की वजह से होता है? centripetal force। so when vehicle traveling along the curved road, then it must consist of centripetal force, and centripetal force is provided by here because of the force of friction। so अगर आपको टर्न पे स्पीड बढ़ाना है तो फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, और फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन अगर बढ़ाना है तो आपको जानबूझ के रोड को खराब करना पड़ेगा। जितना आप रोड को खराब करेंगे उतना फोर्स ऑफ टायर और रोड के बीच में का जो फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स है वो बढ़ेगा। तो ये इकोनॉमिक है क्या? रोड को खराब करेंगे, या फिर दूसरा भी एक है, टायर को बड़े बड़े ग्रिल लगाएंगे। तो ये दोनों भी इकोनॉमिक नहीं है। गाड़ी का एवरेज कम हो सकता है, गाड़ी के पार्ट्स खराब हो सकते हैं, रोड खराब होने की वजह से गाड़ी के कुछ पार्ट जो टूट सकते हैं, तो इट इज नॉट एन इकोनॉमिक प्रोसेस टू इंक्रीज द सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स. सो हाउ वी कैन इंक्रीज द सेंट्रीपिटल फोर्स? We can increase the centripetal force by the banking of road. Means because of the increasing the one edge of the road at a certain height, like this, and we make that this is horizontal road and this is banked road. If we make the road that is banking of road, then centripetal force increases, and we can travel the vehicle with the maximum speed, which is independent on some things. So let us consider an example, that is application of the circular motion, that is vehicle traveling along the banked road. So see this figure, this is the vehicle which is traveling along the banked road, and there are some forces acting on that body. First is the normal reaction, which is perpendicular to the plane of the road, and second one is the weight of the body, which is in the downward direction. So this force of normal reaction is resolved into two components. First is the vertical component n cos theta, and second one is the horizontal component, that is n sin theta. Here also force of friction is also resolved into two components, that is fs cos theta and fs sin theta. So let us consider from this figure, this figure indicates that the n cos theta balances the ng. Means what? We can write like this: n cos theta is equal to mg. Equation number first. Also we can write from this figure indicates the centripetal force is provided by n sin theta, means by the frictional force. So we can write this n sin theta is nothing but the mv square upon r, that is centripetal force, and stated equation number 2, like this. Now dividing equation 1 by 2, we get n sin theta upon n cos theta, like this, and it is mv square upon r upon g. Here mv square upon r, n cancel, sin upon cos tan, so it is tan theta is equal to mv square upon rg. So we get tan theta is equal to mv square upon rg. So from this we can calculate the value of v square like this: rg tan theta, rg tan theta. And where is the m? mg, m, and m cancels, so there is no m. So v square is equal to rg tan theta, and v is equal to under root rg tan theta. So this is Vmax. Also we get another formula from this formula, that is if we move that tan in the right side, then we get theta is equal to, if this tan is moved in the right hand side, then it is tan inverse v square upon rg. So here we get the two formulae, that is Vmax is equal to rg under root rg tan theta, and second one is the theta is equal to tan inverse of v square upon rg. These are the two formulae. It is very simple. N cos theta balances mg, equation number 1. N sin theta means centripetal force, so n sin theta is equal to centripetal force and mv square upon r. Dividing equation 2 by 1, we get mv square upon r upon mg, m cancel, so tan theta is equal to v square upon rg. So v square is equal to rg tan theta, and Vmax is equal to under root rg tan theta. From this formula we get, if we move that tan in the right side, then it may be tan inverse, and we get tan is equal to tan inverse of v square upon rg. what that two formula indicate? Before that, see the formula for horizontal road. If the road is not banked, that is horizontal road, at that time the formula for maximum velocity is under root mu rg. But if road is banked, then there is no mu. No mu means no friction. So it clearly indicates that the maximum speed of the vehicle when it is traveling on banked road, then it does not depends on the force of friction, because there is no mu, no fs. So we remove that mu by using the banked road. Means this indicates that when we increases the one edge of the road, at that time we do not provide the force of friction like the in case of horizontal road. So this is the difference between horizontal road and banked road. Now what is banking of road? What is banking of road? The process in which one edge of the road is increased by the certain height. It is the process in which the one edge of the road is increased by the certain height. That process is called as banking of road. Or we can simply say that the process in which outer edge of the road raised by certain height over its inner edge is called as banking of road. And this is about the banking of road. Now this formula indicates that when road is banked, the maximum velocity depends on only first is the r, that is radius of circular path, second g, that is gravitational acceleration, and third one is the theta. What is theta? Theta is the angle of banking. Theta is the angle of banking. Theta is the angle of banking, and this theta, when we increase the outer edge of the road over its inner edge by certain angle, certain height, then this angle increases, and that angle is nothing but the angle of banking. This angle of banking depends on the road, how that road turn has, and what degree we have to turn the vehicle from that road. So we decide how much is the theta there. So what is theta? It is angle of banking. It is the angle of banking. Or we can make it the definition, simple definition for angle of banking is that the angle between horizontal surface of the road and banked surface of the road is called as angle of banking. The angle between horizontal surface of the road and banked surface of the road is called as angle of banking, and the formula for angle of banking is theta is equal to tan inverse of v square upon rg. इस टॉपिक के ऊपर आपको कितने क्वेश्चन पूछ सकते हैं? देखिए, सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन, derive an expression for maximum velocity of the vehicle when it is traveling on the banked road. So we have to write point to point. Let us consider vehicle traveling along the banked road, and these are the forces acting on the vehicle. Theta is the angle of banking. Now from figure we can write this equation number 1, equation number 2, and mv max is equal to under rg tan theta, and this is an expression for maximum velocity of the vehicle when it is traveling along the banked road. Second question, what is the necessity of banking of road? What is banking of road? Question mark. Explain the necessity of banking of road. What is banking of road? The process in which one edge, outer edge of the road is raised by a certain height over its inner edge is called as banking of road. What is its necessity? Because we know that when road is horizontal, then when any vehicle traveling along the horizontal road, then it performs circular motion. Circular motion it is because of the centripetal force. Here the centripetal force is provided by the force of friction. So when we have to increase the speed, at that time we have to increase the frictional force. So for that purpose we have to make wear and tear of the tires and etc., and roughness of the road. So it is not an economic process. So how we can increase the maximum velocity of the vehicle when it is traveling along the curved road because of the banking of road. When in the rainy season or oil is incident on the surface of the road, at that time it is very difficult to travel the road on the vehicle without banking of road. So this is the necessity of banking of road. This is the one question for 3 marks. What is banking of road? Explain the necessity of banking of road. Then third question is that explain on what factor the maximum speed of the vehicle depends when it is traveling along the bank road. So again derive that all expression, and after that formula you can write this formula indicates that the maximum velocity of the vehicle, it depends on first radius of the circular path, second the acceleration due to gravity, and third angle of banking. The fourth question is that what is angle of banking? What is angle of banking? Derive an expression for angle of banking. At that time you have to write first the definition of angle of banking. What is angle of banking? The angle between horizontal surface of the road and banked surface of the road is called as angle of banking. Now what is the expression? It is same. Let us consider vehicle etc 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 from this point. Theta is equal to tan inverse b square upon rg, and this is an expression for angle of banking. Angle of banking on traveling road. So this is the second application we have discussed today, that is vehicle traveling along the banked road. ऐसे ही और आपको वीडियो अगर देखना है तो चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, और आपको और क्या कौन से टॉपिक आपको चाहिए तो उसके लिए आप कमेंट करके भी बता सकते हैं. So like this video and subscribe this channel.